Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So in Bank Nifty yesterday we had discussed if it goes below 33,180 it can fall till 33,000, 32,800. Today we saw opening at 33,180 and from there we saw a buying momentum, and as we had discussed yesterday, after breaking 33,400 it can go till 33,600, and Bank Nifty went till 33,650 something, and after that it remained sideways. Now it has a support at 33,300. So tomorrow if it goes below 33,300, the first target will be 33,180 and the second target will be 33,000, and if it goes above 33,600 it can go till 33,800 to 34,000. Now let's see Nifty. So yesterday in Nifty we had discussed if it goes below 15,780 then you can sell Nifty. After opening flat it came till 15,770 but we saw a sharp recovery. Also it couldn't sustain above 15,850. So Nifty gave breakout on both the sides in the morning session and it couldn't sustain. Later we saw a volatile momentum in Nifty. And now if you see the daily chart, Nifty is trading in the similar range from last 4 sessions. So if Nifty goes above 15,900, the trend may continue and Nifty can go till 16,000 to 16,200. And if it goes below 15,700, then an M pattern will be formed, and in that case Nifty can fall till 15,600 to 15,550. Now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is Birlasoft, and we saw one way buying momentum in it. Later after consolidation it has given a breakdown. So you can sell Birlasoft below 351. The target will be 343 and the stop loss will be tomorrow's day high. Suppose Birlasoft opens around 353 and if it goes till 355, and then if it breaks 351 then 355 will be the stop loss. If the day high before breaking 351 is 357 or 358, then it will be the stop loss. If we see a opening above 361 or if it goes above 361 without breaking 351, you can avoid it. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.